Okay, now you can see we have this spread, which is this one, and we have named this column like this, and we have said it is the first. It is the past. Others are now starting from the spread, and we can also make this one capital S, that it can make sense grammatically. And when we come with that, and it has come with spread and spread. So this spread, it is not necessary. So if you run the kernel, it will disappear, and the one with the capital will remain. So now, other way of doing this is use subtract function. Instead of doing minus like this, you can use another formula, which is subtract. So you can say dot subtract. This is a method, and you do like that. This will work the same. So let me just Control X and delete this one. Then I Control V and bring this, that you can see if there is any difference. Difference is the not insert spread already exists. So you can come here, kernel, run and says restart. You see, it has come the way we were intended it to come. That's how we can use subtract method instead of just subtract hyphen. So the basics, we are still going on, so let's meet next time.